In Prolog, consult is used to load a file of facts and rules into memory. For example, consult family.pl reads the file and makes its contents available. There is also reconsult. Reconsult reloads a file, replacing older definitions with the new ones. This is useful when you edit a program and want to load the updated version again. Prolog also has short forms. Filename is a shorthand for consulting a file, and filename is a shorthand related to reconsulting the file. So instead of writing a long command, you can simply type a bracketed filename. After loading, you can check what is currently defined by using listing. This prints the predicates now stored in memory. So the basic workflow is simple. Write a Prolog file, load it with consult or its short form, and confirm the result with listing. That is a very practical way to develop Prolog programs.